So I welcome each and everyone to the lecture number 5 of current electricity. Right, in this particular lecture I will be discussing the last part of that is none other than Joule's law of heating, power, electrical power, commercial unit of power, how you people can tackle the important question, numericals questions, how you people can tackle the formulas. Each and everything we will be talking about in this particular lecture, as well as if you people have not watched the lecture number 1, 2, 3 and 4, kindly do watch it. The link has been given in the description below, right, as well as it is given in the I button. And if you want to score a very full marks, you have to watch those lectures. It is not an advertisement, it is a reality, because I have talked a lots of important questions in each lectures. I have talked a lots of favorite questions in each lecture, favorite questions of the board exam, in which every year repeated it generally comes in the examination. So people, you should not ignore those kind of lectures. Coming to the lecture number 5, in which the very first question of CBSE Icse favorite question, generally it comes in 1 mark, that is state the Joule's law of heating. This is the states of Joule's law of heating. What do you mean by Joule's law of heating? It states that when the heat is produced is directly proportional to the square of the current, resistance and the time of the flow of current. Time of the flow of current. What does it mean? Very important, interesting. Flow of current. My dear most children, you people can note it down. Just note it down in your copy as soon as possible. That it states that when the heat is produced. Let me take an example. You people might be giving a mobile phone in a charge, right? When you plug the adapter into a circuit, then after 5 minutes, 10 minutes or after an hour, you people generally find, I find, everyone find that what? Generally the adapter get hit, right? Why the adapter get hit? Adapter get hit because of work done. Acha, what is a work done? I taught in the lecture number 2 regarding potential difference. Let me say again. Suppose I am doing a work, I am talking with you right now, I am doing my energy, I am pulling out my energy. That means I am applying some work. If I will apply some work, generally I will release some heat. I will take it out some heat, I will release some heat. Similarly, when an adapter you are just when an adapter you are just pushing in inside the circuit, what happens after that? It becomes heat. Why it becomes heat? Due to the करंट जाता है, रेजिस्टेंस जाता है, एटम्स रोकते हैं. As I said in my third lecture, that when a current flows in a conductor, what happens when a current flows in a conductor? Lots of more atoms, nucleus, they used to रुकावट बहुत अच्छा, resistance and current generally it's very difficult, बहुत तकलीफ होता है एक पॉइंट से दूसरे पॉइंट में जाने के लिए, इलेक्ट्रॉन्स जाने के लिए, चार्जेस जाने के लिए. एंड व्हाट हैपेंड? दे आर हैविंग अ लॉट्स ऑफ फाइट विद इन देमसेल्फ. रेजिस्टेंस, एटम्स, करंट, चार्ज का बहुत सारा फाइट होने से क्या होता है? दे प्रोड्यूस हीट. That is heat. They produce heat. Heat is directly proportional also. I said एक बढ़ेगा तो एक बढ़ेगा, दूसरा कमेगा तो दूसरा कमेगा. वर्क, अगर मैं बहुत सारा वर्क कर रहा हूं तो मैं हीट जनरल what I'm doing, I'm releasing my heat. That means I'm doing a lots of work. Heat is directly proportional to the square of the current. That means, for an example, let me take the same example as an adapter. When I am pushing in the adapter in a circuit, what happened? I am applying a lots of current. मैं बहुत सारा करंट दे रहा हूं, वहां पर रेजिस्टेंस रोक रहा है, देन आफ्टर कुछ टाइम भी लग रहा है. दैट मीन्स एवरीथिंग इज इंक्रीजिंग. अगर करंट ना हो तो हीट भी नहीं होगा. That means resistance will not be there, time will not be there. That means I is directly proportional to the square of the current, the resistance of the conductor and the time of the flow of current. Is it clear? Then let us do this. H equals to I square RT. यहाँ पर proportional नहीं, that means proportional उठेगा, constant नहीं बैठेगा. Now let us prove this. How it is possible? Prove also, it comes in 2 marker question in case of board examination. Prove H equals to I square RT. Why it is H H is because heat is produced, right? H equals to I square RT को प्रूफ करो, 2 मार्क का पूछा जाता है कैसे. Now let me say, did you hear the word voltage in the current electricity? If yes, in which chapter? Sorry, in which lecture of mine? Recall, that is a lecture number 2, potential difference. What was the formula over there? That V equals to work done upon charge, right? So work done is completely equivalent to heat. Yes or no, my dear children? Yes. So I can generally say, now what I will be doing, B multiplication of K equals to work done. Yes or no? Yes. So in case of heat, so in case of work done, I have written heat, that equals to, मैं क्या लिखूं यहाँ पर, work done, VQ भी लिख सकता हूं, मैं VQ लिख सकता हूं, बताओ मुझे जल्दी. Yes. That means work done is equivalent to heat na. Work done is equivalent to heat. So can I write it down in this way? Yes. Now this Q, where you have heard the word Q first in the current electricity. You people have heard the word Q in case of the formula of current, right? Recall, I equals to Q upon T, right? अच्छा, Q की जगह में लिख देता हूं V equals to, so now what happened, now I into T equals to Q. Can I write it down? Can I write it down? Yes sir. That means IT Q की जगह में IT रख देता हूं. Voltage, where you have heard the formula voltage, that is Ohm's law. In case of Ohm's law, what my dear children you have heard there? V equals to IR. Have you heard this regarding Ohm's law? If yes, please comment right there. If you can understand pretty well, I want your response. That's yes, you people are understanding, you people are gaining from here. Please comment right there. That means V equals to IR. That means IR, V equals to IR ना, IR के जगह में V के जगह में IR लिख सकता हूं, IT into I into T. That means I square RT. Proved. 2 मार्क पॉकेट के अंदर. It is proved. Now you people might be thinking, sir, लिखे क्या, ऐसे लिखे? ना, you have to write it down in this way. H is directly proportional to I square RT, in which H is equals to I square RT. फिर क्या करना है, साइड में ऐसे लिखना है. स्टेप नंबर 1, that is as we know very well in this way. Write it down in your copy everyone. As we know very well that V is PD or V equals to work done by Q. V into Q equals to work done. So as we know very well, work done is equivalent to heat. Work done के जगह में heat लगाते हैं, equals to VQ. Now I is so I का बात, Q का बात, that means I equals to Q by T. That means what happened, I and Q वहां पर चला गया, उस तरफ Q बच गया, तो Q के जगह में I dot T I have put. Then V, according to the Ohm's law, V equals to IT. According to the current, I equals to Q by T. According to the Ohm's law, V equals to IR. So IR into I into T, which is all about I square RT. Is it clear? Please you have to respond over here. The important question over here, एक न्यूमेरिकल लेकर आए बच्चों के लिए, प्यारे प्यारे बच्चों के लिए बढ़िया सा न्यूमेरिकल. This type of, this is not an important numerical. I have searched many important board question numerical, but unfortunately I did not even what, I did not work hard for you. I was supposed to get, but I have made a problem by my own for yourself. Let us start. An electrical object, any electrical object, for an example iron, इस्त्री वाला जो होता है ना, जो शॉर्ट फट करता है, iron, suppose an electrical iron of resistance 50 ohm takes a current 5 ampere. Calculate the heat developed in 30 seconds. You have to calculate the heat. If you want to calculate the heat, you have to remember the formula, that is H equals to I square RT. अच्छा, given हमेशा क्वेश्चन में लिखना है, whether you are doing mathematics, whether you are doing physics, given is very important. How to write it down? Given what? Resistance resistance equals to 50 ohm. Then after I equals to 50 ampere. Time is given ना, t equals to 30 second. बात खत्म, डालो सब अभी. H equals to I square RT. I is given what? 50 नहीं, 5 एम्पियर, 5 25. आई एम राइटिंग डायरेक्टली, आई एम डूइंग 5 का स्क्वायर 25. अच्छा, लेट मी डू दिस वे. सपोज 5 स्क्वायर 25 5 स्क्वायर इनटू आर इज गिवन 50. चलो 50 करते, इनटू 30 सेकेंड 30. देन आफ्टर 25 डॉट 30 25 into 5 125 0 1250 30 which is all about 3 250 275 0 जूल. क्यों होता है जूल पता है? Because SI unit of heat is joule, SI unit of energy is joule, SI unit of work done is joule. Now you might be people, sir, how can you say heat is directly equivalent to work done? Because the unit of work done is joule, the unit of heat is also known as joule. Remember, fix it in your memory. Is it clear? Acha, let us start with this problem. Let me see, I am having space below of this or not. I'm having enough space, I can do it. All right, so see another numerical. 100 joule of heat are produced each second. Please, my dear most children, pause it, do by your own. If you cannot understand, play it, go for the solution. I would like to request, play, just pause it. एक बार अपने आप से ट्राई करो, नहीं हो रहा छोड़ो, देखो सवाल, इसके बाद कॉन्सेंट से बहुत सारा सवाल चिपकाओ. 100 joule of work of heat, do by your own. 100 joule of, do by your own everyone. I hope you people are doing so. Over, I think you might have over right now. Let's start. 100 joule, what is given? Heat is given, let us see. Given, let us write it down. Solution. Heat is given, H equals to 100 joule are produced each second. You are very good in English. T equals to each second 1 SCC second. 4 ohm resistance is given 4 ohm. और क्या नहीं दिया इसमें? 4 ohm. What is not given? Oh, current is not given. I equals to, कैसे लिखना है? I equals to question mark, right? I is not given. I equals to question mark. Here is asking find the potential difference. You have to find the V. Very interesting, you people. Acha, so I is not given. Can I put it out? Can I take it out? I? Yes, I have to apply the form H equals to I square RT. So if I'll put the formula, I will be getting I. जब मुझे I मिल जाएगा तो मैं V को निकाल सकता हूँ by using Ohm's law formula. V equals to IR. समझ में आ गया होगा? नहीं आ रहा, और एक बार समझाता हूँ. देखो यहाँ पर just look at here. See, very interesting as well as important. It is given 100 joule of work, it is given, right? So now what? Now H equals to I square RT. H is given 100 joule equals to I square, nothing is given, I square. R is given 4, so I am writing into 4. Time is given 1. So I will be getting in this way, implies that 100 equals to I square into 4 divided by 25 under root of I. Did you understand? ये 4 इस तरफ आ गया, 100 से 4 डिवाइड हो गया तो 25 मिला, स्क्वायर इस तरफ आ जाएगा, अंडर रूट बन जाएगा, विच इज ऑल अबाउट 5 इक्वल्स टू आई. सो आई गॉट, सो व्हाट डिड आई गेट? आई इक्वल्स टू 5. सो आई हैव टू फाइंड V इक्वल्स टू IR. लिखना है साइड में ओम्स लॉ. बाय यूजिंग ओम्स लॉ यू कैन, कैसे लिखोगे? ओम्स लॉ ऑल्सो यू कैन राइट, और तुम अगर अच्छे इंग्लिश जानते हो, बाय यूजिंग ओम्स लॉ according to the Ohm's law. In this way you have to write it down. V equals to IR. I कितना दिया बच्चों? 5. R कितना दिया? कैन R 4 गुना 4 20 वोल्ट निकल गया आंसर. Is it clear, my dear most children? I hope you people are getting everything from here. Is it clear? So let me erase this. But electricity, current electricity is the hero of physics in case of whether you take NCERT CBSE or whether you take conscience ICSE. Let's start. Power, electrical power. Let us start. Electrical power. I'll try to make a short the lecture as it is. Electrical power. What do you mean by power? You know very well. Power is rate of doing work. What, my dear most children? Power is rate of doing work. Rate of doing work. If you have read everything from me, then you people might be knowing about the meaning of rate. As I said in my last lecture, in my first lecture, rate का मतलब अगर कुछ जिक्र आ गया in physics, that is rate, that means divided by. And if you are my student, then pause it right now, be loyal to you. What do you mean by rate? You have to comment right down there, because if you have watched the lecture number 1 thoroughly, you have to say what do you mean by rate. And also I said very well that if you people can understand the formula, you people can create the definition. If you people can if you have understood the definition, you people can create the formula. Now you people have to create the formula. Be loyal, pause right there and create the formula and write it down in the comment. I want each and everyone, you should comment right there. I hope you have commented. Let's start. Rate of doing work, that means work done upon time. Rate का मतलब हमेशा टाइम होता है, बताया था लेक्चर नंबर 1 में, याद रखो. Power equals to this. अच्छा, now as I said, the unit, SI unit of heat, Joule. SI unit of work done, Joule. SI unit of charge, Coulomb. Also Coulomb. SI unit of time, second. SI unit of power is, SI unit of power is watt. All right. So work done, as you know very well, even work done is energy consumed. Energy consumes, heat is released. सब एक meaning से होता है, right? So now rate of doing work per time. Now let me say rate of doing work मतलब time का मतलब क्या होता है? That means Q upon T, W upon T, Q का charge, why I am writing, W upon T, right? So power is having 3 most important formulas. Three most important formula which we will be taking out here right now. 3 most important formula, पूरा अच्छे से बात करेंगे. 3 most important formula. How to take it out? See, work done by time. Now I am asking you, my dear most children, where you have heard the word work done in the particular chapter from me? Chapter lecture number 2, electric potential and potential difference, right? That is work done. And also you might be knowing very well, my dear most children, that V equals to W by Q. That means V times Q equals to W. Am I right? Yes. So now I can even say power equals to what ना, my dear most children? VQ लिख सकता हूँ W के जगह में, VQ लिख सकता हूँ. Yes, I can write V times Q upon T is given, so I will be writing T. Now something you can see and something you can recognize and you can feel that. Did you heard the word Q upon T somewhere else in the chapter? I repeat, did you hear the word Q upon T somewhere else in the chapter? Yes, the formula number 1, that is I equals to Q upon T. That is I into T equals to Q. That is a charge. I equals to charge by time. I can say I, T उस तरफ चला जाएगा तो Q हो जाएगा. So can I write in this way? V into IT. V times Q के जगह मैं पुट कर देता हूं IT यहाँ पर, I into T divided by T got cancelled, which is equals to VI. The formula number 1. This is the formula number 1. Power equals to IV or VI. लिखो वहां पर formula number 1. What we get? Power equals to IV or power equals to VI. This is the formula number 1. From this formula number 1, we will create the another formula. See, let me do here. VI. Let me do here. From here, we will take it out formula number 2. See, What did I say? B equals to I. Power equals to Vi. Let me write it down here. Let me erase this. No, we should not erase. Everything should be there. Power equals to V into I. Now I am saying V, voltage का formula, Ohm's law. Have you heard the word voltage in the chapter? If yes, where did you hear? You might have heard in potential difference, another is Ohm's law. That is Ohm's law, V equals to IR. Am I right? Am I right? If V equals to IR in case of Ohm's law, can I put it down, my dear most children? V की जगह मैं IR लिख सकता हूँ. Yes. IR into I it is given, that is I square R. This is known as formula number 2. Just see everyone, this is known as formula number 2. Formula number 2 is power equals to I square R. Sorry, I square R, yeah. I square R, formula number 2. Is it clear everyone? Write it. Let me write in proper way. Now, let us start the formula number 3. Let us derive formula number 3. What is the formula number 3? See, I have to substitute I. Where did you get the I? See, I have to take it out formula number 3. How shall I take it out formula number 3? Can I write, my dear most children? See, V is given, I is given, right? Acha, can I do in this way? What I did? Now I have took it out the value of V. Now what I will be doing? V upon R equals to I. Can I do in this way? I have to substitute the value, right? V equals to I upon IR. So what I will be doing? I have to take it out I. Now I will be taking out the third formula. So I will be remaining here V upon R equals to I. So can I put in case of, so V is given. So I have to put V as it is. I will be keeping out. I is given in place of I. Can I put this formula? In place of I, can I put this one? Yes. If I have put this one, what will I get? V square upon R, the formula number 3. Very, very important formula in case of power. That means this formula is very important. Formula number 1 and formula number 3 gonna be vital in case of power. That is V square upon R. Is it clear to all, my dear most student? Now you might be thinking, sir, what is the unit of power? The unit of power is known as watt. Is it clear? Please note it down as soon as possible if you have, and please try to make notes by your own. अपना बनाया हुआ note सबसे dash होता है. Fill in the blanks. You might be knowing very well if you are watching my lectures every time. And you have to comment right there. That means अपना बनाया हुआ notes सबसे क्या होता है. Right? See, I have put, let it remain there in this way. Commercial unit. Now I will be talking about commercial unit of energy. Commercial unit of energy. What the formula of, actually what was the formula of power? Who can say me out of 3? The main formula was power equals to, who can say me what was the main formula of power? Be loyal to me. Comment right there. Pause the video. Comment right there. Wrong or right? Comment right there. And according to the question, you have to mention the question also. The formula of power. The main formula of power is dash. You have to comment right there. The main formula of power is work done upon time. This is the main formula. From this only you people have got these 3 formulas, right? So work done upon time. So work done means energy. Yes or no? Yes. Work done means heat. Yes or no? Yes. I am talking about commercial unit of energy. What is the commercial unit? घर का बिजली जो होता है. When the electrician comes, you know, from electric office they come, and they used to come with some device, and they used to type something, and they used to give an invoice to us. That is what they give. They say 200 units, 250 units, 270 units. That is unit. That unit is known as what? Electric bill. We can say that. इज इट क्लियर? पढ़ेंगे बाद में, थोड़ा मोर डिटेल्स 12वीं में पढ़ोगे. फॉर मोर डिटेल्स व्हेन यू विल बी रीडिंग द इंजीनियरिंग. पावर इक्वल्स टू W D upon T. So can I write it down? Power into time. बाद में पढ़ देंगे. Wait, just wait. So WT I was there. So can I convert the WT in case of energy? Energy by time, can I convert it? Yes. How? Because work done is equivalent to energy. I am working hard. That means I am applying some energy. Energy SI unit is Joule. Work done SI unit is Joule. So I can even say in this way, power into time, उस तरफ चला जाएगा border power equals to energy. Am I right, my dear most children? Now power, what is the power? Power is known as watt. SI unit watt into second equals to Joule. Is it clear? Watt into second equals to Joule. Is it clear, everyone? Yes. Acha, 1 watt. 1 watt is, acha, that is Joule. Now you might have understood. So always understand kWh, kilowatt hour. Very important, kilowatt hour. Bigger unit of energy, bigger unit of power, megawatt, gigawatt, kilowatt. First will be kilowatt, then after megawatt, then after gigawatt. Smaller unit, microwatt, milliwatt, you might be knowing. Kilowatt equals to 10 to the power 3. Megawatt equals to 10 to the power 6. Gigawatt equals to 10 to the power dash 9. Chalo. 1 kilowatt and hour it is given. So can I convert 1 kilowatt? How many watt? 1000 watt. Into R is given, my dear most children. Can I convert the R into second? Yes. 3600 मिलाते हैं 363050. So 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 Joule. आई बात समझ में? That means 1 kilowatt hour equals to 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 Joule. Is it clear, everyone? Let me see what more left. Everything I have said, if I am not wrong. Everything I have said. Yes, megawatt, gigawatt, and also many more are there. You people might have read in the chapter number 2 of electricity. Which electricity? Sorry, I am talking about work done and power. 1 watt hour equals to, if someone asks you, 1 watt hour equals to 3600 Joule. Remember, very important, one question in MCQ, people can get it also. So this is all about the show. If you want the numericals from me, that means to understand pretty well, tips, tricks, how to tackle the numericals, definitely you have to comment right there. Number 1. Number 2, if you have not watched the trigonometry tips, tricks to handle the proof wala questions, how you people can handle the proof questions, you know, the 4 to 5 tricks you have to understand. After that, trigonometry will be a very easy topic to you. If you have not watched, you have to watch right now also, right? Okay. And I think the 5 chapters which I have uploaded, it was pretty easy to you, my dear most children. And don't worry, after having all the summarizing, I will be coming electricity one shot. Electricity at one shot also will be there to you, as the highest number of votes I have got in my YouTube, that everyone wants one shot. So I will be uploading lectures, including at the end of the lecture I will be uploading one shot video. Remember this. If you have not joined the Telegram, do join to get the best note right there. Everything over? Everything I have said, or something left? And let me recall. Nothing more left. So signing off for the today. I hope the lecture is phenomenal to you, and don't worry, I am preparing even, and I will upload within 2 to 3 days, right, the formula sheet, the formula which I will sit and prepare regarding formulas current electricity, how you people can read, how you people can thorough the mind map regarding formula sheet also. I am working hard about it, right? And also I will bring one more video for you, only the formula videos for you, how you people can remember and tackle it. Thank you very much. Signing off for the today. Coming stronger in the household circuits. Till then, keep cheering yourself.